Hi guys, so good morning to you guys. So on today live stream, we are going to make some analysis, and then we are going to, and I also have something to show you guys today. I have something to show you guys. So let's get started. Hold on, guys. Get started. So today, yesterday we could not get any opportunity to trade from. So hopefully we are going to get a setup today. So hopefully we are going to get a setup to trade from today. So I'm going to share my screen now and let's analyze together. So guys, let me share my screen with you guys. So on today's live stream, I'm not going to do too much, right? We're just going to keep it simple like we always do. So I hope you guys can see my screen. I hope you guys can see my screen. I don't know if you guys can see my screen. Okay, I think you guys can see my screen. So first and foremost, we are going to start with BTC. So we're going to start with BTC. So let's see what BTC have for us. So now we're going to start with the higher time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame. So as you guys can see, BTC is still bullish. BTC is bullish. So I'm looking at BTC to like go up to that resistance level. So BTC is bullish. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, I actually said it yesterday that I'm looking at BTC to come to this level. So BTC is actually at this level. So we are not really sure if this level is going to hold BTC. So but I'm still looking at it to come down a little more. So let's go to the 2 hours time frame. So on the 2 hours time frame, as you guys can see, so we are looking at BTC to I'm still looking at BTC to come down more to this level. So I'm looking at BTC to come down more to this level. So let's just sit back and watch what is going to happen. So if we want to take any trade on BTC this morning, we are going to be looking to short. We're going to be flowing with the current market trend. So we could just short from this level. We short the market from this level. So now we have our break of structure right here. We have our break of structure right here, and then this is going to serve as our liquidity. So this is going to serve as our liquidity. So or we could like when market comes to this our order block, we could actually wait for confirmation. We could actually wait for a change of character, signifying that market is going to still go bearish. But we could enter this trade aggressively either way. So I don't think this trade is going to trigger today. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen. I actually have a running trade. I actually did the analysis this morning and I opened the trade this morning. So I'm going to show it to you guys. So this is our liquidity right here. This is our liquidity right here. So we're going to be shorting BTC down to this level, to this support level. So now we have one trade on BTC. So let me set my take profit, my stop loss and take profit. So our stop loss is going to be a little bit above this week. So now our take profit is going to be here. This is actually a decent, but we could adjust our take profit to this level. But I'm going to be targeting the last low. So let me just put my take profit here. So this is actually a good trade for us to take. So this is a good trade. So now we have our fair value gap. So let me show you guys the analysis I did this morning when I woke up. So this is actually the trade. So I'm currently on this trade and we are actually making money. So let me show you guys. I'm going to show you guys. So on this trade we are up 31%. I hope you guys are seeing it. So we have 31% on this trade and you could actually still, like, you could still enter the trade if you want to. It's actually not too late to enter the trade right now, but I'm already in on this trade. So let's look for one more analysis to take our trade from. So let's go to Solana. So on Solana, let me go to the higher time frame to see things clearly. So on Solana, we are looking at, like, this is actually a support level because price has actually tested this level and it pushed price up a little. So price is likely going to react from this level or come down to this level. So we could see price come down to this level using this as our liquidity. So we could see price coming down to that level and this is going to serve as our liquidity. So this is actually a safe zone to take our buy. But currently we are going to be looking to sell. So we're going to, okay, let's just wait for price to come down to this level of support I actually mark out. So let's move to another pair. I don't want us to take too much time on this. Let's move to other pair. So now we are on SUI. So let's go to the higher time frame on SUI. So as you guys can see, SUI is actually reacting from this level. SUI is actually reacting from this level. So let's go to the 2 hours time frame. So on the 2 hours time frame, like, to just flow with the current trend, I'm still going to be looking at price to retest this level or probably break it. So I'm going to be shorting the market. So I'm looking at price to at least retest this. So let's go to the 15 minutes to look for our entry. So depending on what, so I'm going to be marking our other belt here. I'm going to be marking the other belt right there, and then we have our break right here. This is This is our liquidity. So if market could, okay, let me mark it. So this is our liquidity. So if market could actually go up to this point, then we're going to have we're going to look out for a retest. But if market comes out level, then I don't think this trade is actually valid anymore. So we're going to look out for this trade. We're going to be waiting for price to first go up to this resistance level. So then we're going to shut the market down to retest this point. So now let me. So now we have our. So now we have our fair value gap right here. So like an imbalance. We have an imbalance right here, and then on this as our liquidity sweep. So we are going to be looking to short this market down to this level. So let me. So now I think we have three analysis. I have one running trade and this two. So watch out for. I'm going to watch out for this one for this trade of BTC. But I don't think BTC is going to like trigger today. So I'm going to be watching out for this one. So if price actually come down to retest this support level, then I'm not going to take the trade. But if price go up and then come to this resistance level, testing here, and then I'm going to show the market down to this point. So now we have two setups for today. I have a running trade and also this. So and then we have BTC. I don't think BTC is going to trigger today. So let's just hold on BTC. So that's it for today, guys. So let me check this trade. So this is our current trade. So I'm currently on this trade and it is actually dishing out profit for us. So that's it for today. So guys, I'm going to come back here tomorrow and then we're going to check our analysis and see if I'm going to let you guys know if we made money or we actually lost money or lose rather. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow and let you guys know. Bye guys.